Explain the impact on equivalent price and output in a market when a minimum price is imposed. Minimum price, otherwise known as a price floor, is a form of price control in the market. Implementation of the minimum price can help to keep the price of a good at a level that is affordable to the majority and help stabilize it. It can also support incomes of the affected during market clearing and to prevent exploitation.
This is the initial market in equilibrium. When the minimum price, PF, is imposed above the equilibrium price, PE, it increases the price of the good to consumers. For instance, in the market for an agricultural crop, minimum price will help to maintain the incomes of farmers as the sale of crops below market price, PF, is prevented. However, the increase in selling price from PE to PF will reduce the quantity of goods sold from QE to QD due to lower quantity demanded by consumers as the crops are more expensive. With the output of agricultural crops remaining unchanged, minimum price creates a surplus of goods as represented by the space between QD and QS. In another example, a price floor can also be used to set minimum wages to maintain the income of unskilled workers. The government may do so to encourage employers to employ fewer people and substitute for other factors of production. Workers who are retained, as represented by OL, earn a higher wage than before, but others, as represented by LN, would be retrenched.
Price elasticity of demand, also known as PED, measures the responsiveness of quantity demanded of a good due to a change in its price.
When the PED for the good is between 0 and 1, the demand for the good is price inelastic. When the PED for the good is between 1 and infinity, the demand for the good is price elastic. Both will still result in an increase in selling price, but the surplus created will be greater if the demand for good is price elastic.
Price elasticity of supply, also known as PES, measures the responsiveness of quantity supplied of a good due to a change in the price of the good itself.
When the PES for the good is between 0 and 1, the supply of the good is price inelastic. In summary, a minimum price is only effective if it is established above the equilibrium price. It will cause the price of the good to increase and quantity demanded to decrease. This will cause a surplus which is also affected by both the price elasticity of demand and supply of the good. The more price elastic the demand and supply, the larger the surplus that is created in the market. We also made the assumption